Mapping scheduled monuments. The objective of this project is to use the Lidar data to enhance the understanding of scheduled monuments of the Chase and Chalke area. We will examine the current extent of the scheduled monuments and create polygons around any additional topographic elements relating to the monument that are visible in the Lidar data. First, locate your feature and open the scheduled monument record. Read the Details section to identify the expected form and dimensions of the feature. Note that the boundary on the map should include a 2-meter buffer around the archaeology. Examine the feature using the different layers. Begin the record by entering the monument's PRN number. Describe the topography seen in the Lidar. Include any observations that might affect the model, e.g. vegetation cover. Check the types of topography seen and map layers used. Indicate if there is obvious public access for field survey. Now you can draw polygons to represent the areas adjacent to the monument where the Lidar indicates related topographic features. Unlike the original Lidar portal, you can draw multiple polygons per record. To edit a feature, click the white arrow, select the feature and move the nodes. When you are happy, submit your record. Considering amendments to large linear features. Some scheduled monuments cover a long distance, e.g. Roman roads, Grimm's Ditch. We can add multiple database records for each scheduled monument as needed, using the OS grid reference in the description to specify the area. Identify an area of a linear monument that needs attention. Create the record as before, being sure to include a grid reference in the text. In this case, the scheduled back and ditch lie outside the monument boundary. We record the evidence from the Lidar. Map the location and extent of the issue. Then complete the record as before, indicating access for field observations. Scheduled monuments with no spatial edits to make. It is helpful to record monuments where no spatial edits are required, based on what is visible in the Lidar. For these features, we will create a record that uses a point to show that the feature has been considered. Examine the evidence for the scheduled monument as before. In this case we have a very faint positive feature, mound, which is almost imperceptible except on the LRM. Complete the record as before. It's clear that the scheduled monument boundary encompasses the features seen on the LiDAR. When digitizing, select the pin to add a point instead of a polygon. A field visit for this site might still be needed to confirm condition and threat. Click Submit to save.